Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today my mom is going to show you how to make a caramel easily and also it will be perfect. First take a frying pan, then add half cup of sugar. You can add any cup of sugar you want. And then on the stove. And then we are going to cook it on low flame. You can also put between low and medium flame. You can slowly see that the caramel color is coming. My mother also shaked it because the side sugar wasn't coming on the fire, that's why. We are also going to stir it a little bit. The caramel will be burnt, so you should carefully make it on low flame. Slowly you can see that the caramel color is coming. Now you should stir it and make the caramel continuously. You can see that the caramel is now ready. Now you should immediately put it in a container which you want to make dessert or pudding. And if you don't do it quickly, the caramel might become burnt or it will become hard. You can see how the color has become perfect and it also became perfectly smooth. You can follow this recipe to make your caramel smooth like this. You can actually see how perfect it became. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.